Freshwater wetlands are some of our most important natural resources and are key to ensuring we have healthy river systems. As well as being home to a wealth of fascinating and uniquely adapted wildlife and giving enjoyment to millions of people, they store and filter water. This reduces the risk of flooding, drought and pollution in rivers. They also capture carbon from the air and lock it up, helping to combat climate change. Wetlands can be particularly important for replenishing groundwater. By slowing down water that would otherwise quickly flow overland to rivers and other water bodies, the water can filter into the ground and help ensure long-term supplies of quality groundwater. The amount of historical wetland habitat has significantly reduced over the last 200 years due to urban development and changes in agricultural practices. Most of the remaining wetlands are in poor or very poor condition. This has had a knock-on effect for the wide variety of wildlife that depend on these wetlands, leaving many endangered. Through Ribble Life Together, we're delivering 15 wetland projects across the catchment. These will include creating wet areas within woodland, blocking ditches with leaky dams that slow the flow of water downstream, creating scrapes for wading birds and new wildlife ponds, and peat restoration works over large areas. We will monitor our wetlands so we can demonstrate how they slow the flow of water from the land into our rivers, as well as reducing diffuse pollution by trapping soil, nutrients and chemicals. They will also provide fantastic places for communities to learn about the wildlife on their doorstep, develop into beautiful features to inspire artists, and become havens for both wildlife and people who can enjoy these fascinating natural wonders for many years to come.